Hey guys, my name is Damilola. Welcome to Damilola's kitchen. Today we will be making banana bread. Let's get started. First, you preheat your oven to 350. After preheating your oven to 350, you are going to start on your mixture. First, you are going to use your banana. Now, I'm going to explain this banana. People would think that this banana is spoiled. It's not spoiled. Don't use the one that is fresh. You will not taste the flavor of the banana in your banana bread. So use this kind of banana. It will be taste good and delicious. Anytime you have this kind of banana in your house that looks like mine, like this, use this for banana bread. Then I'm going to show you how it looks. You have to remove the skin. Everybody knows that you need to remove the skin. This is how it looks. It's very soft. This thing is not spoiled though. Please use it for your banana bread. Now we are going to mash it together. This is it. We mash it thoroughly. Mash it very well. If you like it to be chunky, don't mash it like mine, but it's in my own. I don't like it to be chunky. I like it to be smooth. Not too much smooth. I'm going to show you how it looks. This is how I like it. It's not too much chunky inside. I'm going to crack my head one after the other into this bowl. Then add it to your bowl, everything. And whisk it together. You add this. You add your vanilla extract to your taste. Now I'm going to add my sour cream. Now if you don't have sour cream and you have Greek yogurt, use Greek yogurt. This is what I have. I have sour cream, so I'm using sour cream. But this recipe is very easy, very simple. Now I'm going to add my butter. I'm using 1 stick of butter. I'm going to melt my butter in the microwave before adding it to it. Now I will add my melted butter. Now we will set this aside for a while. You come to our bowl. This is all-purpose flour. This is baking powder, and this is all seasoning. You add your salt. Just add salt for a little bit, and then whisk it together. Now I'm going to add my flour. Add it bit by bit so that it will not be tough. This is it. It smells so good. Please like, comment, share, turn on the notification bell. Please, I can't stress it enough. Turn on the notification bell. Please and please and please. Turn on the notification bell. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell everybody you know about Damilolo Olaleyes kitchen. Please do it. Thank you. Now, I've oiled my pan. Now, I'm going to put it in my preheated oven. I'm going to bake it until it's done, very, very done. And I will show you how it looks when it's done. Now, I've taken it out of the oven. I let it cool down for 15 minutes. I'm going to show you how you will know that it's cooked. I'm using this toothpick to check. Maybe it's cooked. You see that it comes out clean. You can use knife if you don't have toothpick. You see that it comes out so clean. So now we are going to cut it and taste. See. This is it. This is it. It smells so good. Smells delicious. I can't resist from tasting it. No. It's so delicious. Let me leave the rest. Let me taste it. Oh my God. I really love it. It's soft. It has a nice crust. It's delicious. It's sweet. Everything. Make it. Let me know. Please like, comment, share. Tell everybody you know about Damilolo Olaleyes kitchen. And I need to tell you the most important thing. Please subscribe. Subscribe. I can't stress it enough. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye.